Here's a treat that's so good, it's spooky. Exorcism Sorbet from Delicious in Dungeon. Hey everybody, it's Hammy, and it's too hot! But lucky for you, I've concocted this amazing and refreshing dessert, which is a real-life recipe for Exorcism Sorbet from Delicious in Dungeon. And here's the best part. You don't need an ice cream machine to make it. You don't really need any machines to make it. You just need a fork and some sugar, and well, I don't want to spoil it. Let's get to it, alright? First, some interfaith holy water. In a bowl goes water, sugar, and a tiny bit of xanthan gum. You can leave it out. It does improve the texture though. Oh, and a pinch of salt. That's what makes it holy. I mean, have you ever tried food that doesn't have any salt in it? It tastes like hell. Anyway, you'll also need some Kool-Aid packets. Blue, red, and yellow. And notice I did not say flavors because it doesn't really matter what flavors they are, as long as they're blue, red, and yellow. Use whatever you want. Alright, divide your holy water by half, and then take one of those halves and halve it again. By the way, this doesn't have to be precise. Carefully dose out this liquid into 3 different sheet pans. Metal is best because metal conducts cold. Alright, the biggest portion gets some blue Kool-Aid. Go easy with it, you're not going to need a lot. It's pretty strong stuff. Same goes for the yellow and the red. Go easy with it, taste it as you go. Probably shouldn't take more than 1/8 of a teaspoon in every single one of these. Maybe a little less, maybe a little more, depending on how you like it. Alright, put these in the freezer for at least 2 hours. Alright, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna scrape this. Scrape, chop, fluff. It's all very precise. We're gonna break up those crystals real good. Repeat with all the colors. Work fast, because it'll melt. Now smack them back into the freezer for another 2 hours. Then, just keep repeating the process. See how fluffier it's getting? By the time we're done, your mixture should double in size. While you're scraping and fluffing, why not drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already? Click the bell icon, you know the whole deal. It helps my channel grow, and I can put out more cool recipes like this one. Once your colors look like this, pull out your favorite airtight container that's freezer safe, and just layer your colors. Blue, dot it with some red and yellow, blue again. There's really no wrong way to do this. Then pat it down lightly, seal it back up, and then pop it right back in the freezer, and I would go for at least 4 hours on this, if not overnight. Alright, now we can serve it up, and here's how to do that. Grab an ice cream scoop, try and get all the colors as you scoop. Then just dot it with precious jewels, which are just gushers by the way. I always thought these looked like jewels. It looks pretty awesome, but how does it taste? Yummy! It's so refreshing and the texture is super soft, like really good Italian ice. And how cool is it that we didn't even have to use an ice cream maker to make it? Definitely cure your summer blues and make this. Thanks for watching! Let me know what I should make next. Also, I think you'll dig these videos. You should check them out. Bye!